financial headlines, brought to you by Snap-Zed Universe.
Hello and welcome to today's financial reports.
Gold price forecasts though USD remains depressed below $1,940, downside seems cushioned. Gold price edges lower for the second straight day on Tuesday, albeit lacks follow-through. The optimism over more stimulus from China continues to weigh on the safe haven metal. Bets that the Federal Reserve will pause its rate hiking cycle should help limit the downside. GBP USD oscillates in a range above the 1.2600 area. Investors await UK PMI data. GBP USD flatlines in a 1.2622 and 1.2630 range in the early Asian session on Tuesday. Traders anticipate that the Bank of England BOE is likely to raise 25 basis points BPS in the upcoming meeting. A mixed US employment data and upbeat manufacturing PMI decreases Fed tightening expectations. EUR USD seesaws near 1.0800 as ECB hawks lack acceptance. Lagarde speech, US factory orders eyed. EUR USD fades weak start rebound as full markets return. ECB's Lagarde Bundesbank President Nagel failed to impress policy hawks despite defending restrictive measures. Mixed concerns about Fed's next moves. Market as cautious optimism also prod the euro traders. ECB President Lagarde's speech, Eurozone PPI and US factory orders will provide fresh impulse. AUD USD moves below 0.6450 ahead of the RBA decision. AUD USD trades lower around 0.6430 after China's downbeat Caixin Services PMI. Economists anticipate that RBA will keep key interest rates at 4.10%. Traders seek RBA's tone for clear indications of future rate hikes.
Important news.
Today's markets outlet. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.